Good day everyone. Welcome to Palawan, Philippines, one of the most beautiful destinations in the world. My name is Vince Nathan Ikiason. I'll be your virtual tour guide today. Palawan is known as the last ecological frontier because of its rich biodiversity and unspoiled natural beauty. Let us begin our tour in El Nido. El Nido is one of the most popular tourist spots in Palawan for its towering limestone cliffs, crystal clear blue water, and stunning lagoons such as the Big Lagoon and Small Lagoon. Next, we travel to Coron, another top destination in Palawan. Coron is well known for its shipwreck diving sites from World War II. Beautiful lakes like Kayangan Lakes, and dramatic rock formations. Another most visited attraction is Puerto Princesa Underground River, one of the new 7 wonders of nature. The natural wonders features an underground river that flows directly into the sea. Why Palawan is important? Palawan is important because it promotes tourism, provide livelihood to local communities, and showcase the natural beauty of the Philippines. Safety reminders. When visiting Palawan, always follow local rules and environmental guidelines. And avoid touching corals and never leave trash behind. Respect nature and help preserve its beauty for the future generation. I invite you to visit Palawan and experience its breathtaking tourist spots. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour on Palawan.